Morning, dear student. I hope that you all are watching my videos properly and preparing the notes accordingly. So today I am teaching to you about the acceleration due to gravity of Earth, because the gravity term is only being used for Earth. Simple formula of mass, because mass is supposed to be spherical in shape and having density rho. So volume mass is equal to volume into density. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Density is rho. So this will be the mass of Earth. So he is saying, but what is universal gravitational law says about the force of gravity? The force of gravity F is equal to capital G M. M is for mass of Earth. Small m is mass of any object. R is the distance between Earth and that object. So R square. So here R square or R is greater than in comparison to the capital R. Why? Because capital R is the radius of Earth and R is the distance from center of Earth to that object. So now here we are finding about acceleration due to gravity small g. So at any point below to the Earth surface, what will be the acceleration due to gravity? Earth is having radius capital R. So below to that Earth surface, we have to find out acceleration due to gravity. So see, this is the diagram for acceleration due to gravity. So you can check this. Suppose this is the sphere or Earth, and below to the surface of Earth, how much distance? D distance. We are finding acceleration due to gravity. What is D exactly? D is equal to capital R minus small r, because the mass small m is kept supposed to be kept here. So what will be the force? Gravity F is equal to capital G small m into mr. Mr means mass of remaining Earth. R is the distance at R of these two masses, mass of Earth and mass of body. So how to find out remaining mass of the Earth? Remaining mass of Earth, I can find out mass is equal to formula of volume into density, because density remains same. So what will be the volume of remaining Earth? 4 by 3 pi into small r cube. So this is rho into rho, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube into rho. What is this? This is the total mass of the Earth into R cube upon R. So I had substituted the value of mr here. I had substituted the remaining Earth mass. So this is the remaining Earth mass into density, or this is the formula of total mass of the Earth. 4 by 3 pi R cube is equal to m, and this is R cube, and this is capital R cube. But substituting these value in Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to capital G m into small r. So small r is equal to m into r cube upon r cube. This is this capital G and small r in r cube. R cube and its cube will get eliminate. So it is left capital G m into capital M upon into small r upon r cube, where small r is less than r cube, where small r is less than r cube. So this will be the gravitational force inside the uh, surface of Earth. At a point on the Earth's surface, if I have to find out gravitational force on the Earth's surface, Earth's surface, small r will become equal to how much? Capital R. So formula will become r, and r cube will get eliminated here. So r square is left. So capital G m into m upon r cube. But at the same time, gravitational force F is equal to, Newton's law of gravitation says, so Newton's force says F is equal to m into G, mass into acceleration. So but both are equal. This is Newton's universal law of gravitation, and this is Newton's second law of motion. So m into G is equal to this, equating them, because I have to find out a small g. Small g is equal to capital G m upon r square. So this is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. Now, what is the relationship between small g and capital G? Formula you came to know here. This is G is equal to capital G into this. So what is the relationship? Gravitational force F G is equal to capital G m upon r square. This is the relationship between small g and capital G. The same thing you had done here. Small g is equal to capital G m upon r square. So suppose you have to find out mass and density of the earth. So how you can find out? Simply, so you know small g, mass, small g is equal to capital G m upon r square. So what is the mass of earth? Mass of earth is equal to g into r square upon capital G. I can find out m here. M is equal to g into capital R square upon capital G. Or substituting the value of small g, r square and g, I can find out mass of earth, which is approximately 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And what is the density? You know, density is equal, mass is equal to volume into density. So from here I can find out what density is equal to mass upon volume. So that's all for today, and have a great time and keep on doing a study, and I will simultaneously I will give you questions of exercise, so you have to solve them. Thank you and have a great time.